We're going to continue our work with percentages and talk about interest. There's a couple ways that we use interest. One way is that you earn interest on money you save in the bank. So if you put money into the bank will pay you interest for keeping your money in their bank. Another way you use interest is that if you borrow money. Say I borrow money from the bank, they're going to charge me a certain percent for me to use their money. So we have to pay on money we borrow. Pause the movie now and copy these two sentences into your notes on interest. So let's look at some problems. We're going to earn 5% interest on $300. Calculate the interest you earn each year. How much interest will you earn in 5 years? Pause the movie now and copy this problem into your notes. Now let's solve the problem. We know how to find percent. 5% can also be written as 0.05. Don't make the mistake of writing it as 0.50, that's 50%. So I'm going to take my $300 of my money and I'm going to find 5% of that. This is how much I'm going to earn each year. When I multiply it through and move my decimal, I see that the bank is going to give me $15 each year for having my $300 in their bank. Well, the next question asks, how much will that be in 5 years? Well, that would be 15, 15, 15, 15, 5 times. Well, 15 times 5 is $75. So in 5 years, my $300 would earn me $75. So the bank actually pays me for keeping my money in their bank. Pause the movie now and copy the steps to solve this problem in your notes. Let's look at a new problem. Your grandma gives you $100 for your birthday. Your mom makes you put it in the bank so that it earns 3% interest. Calculate the interest you earn in 1 year and then in 2. Pause the movie now, copy this problem into your notes, and try to solve it on your own. Let's see how you did. You should have your $100 that you put in the bank. We know we're going to pay 3% interest, so that is 0.03. I multiply that through, I can see that my money is going to earn me $3. What does that mean? Well, that means I get $3 each year. So in 1 year, I would earn $3, and 2 years would be $6 in interest. Pause the movie now to check your notes and see that you got the same answers. Now you're going to try this problem on your own. You will earn 12% interest on $40. How much money will you have in 3 years? How much money will you have in 6 months? Copy the problem, solve the problem, and bring your answer to class the next day. Let's try one last problem. Pay 20% interest on a $12,000 credit card balance. How much interest do I pay in 1 year, 3 years, 4 years, and 20 years? Write this problem in your notes, solve it, and bring it to class the next day. This concludes your 7-7 video lesson.